Hey there, welcome to day 25 of our 100 days of Python challenge. Today's topic is Python scope. First one, local scope. Imagine you have a variable inside a function. That variable is considered local, meaning it only exists within that function. In this example, x is a local variable and it will only print when we call the function myfunction. Function inside function. But wait, there is more. If you have a function inside another function, the local variables from the outer function are accessible within the inner function. In this case, my inner function can access the local variable x from my function. Global scope. Now let's talk about global scope. If a variable is defined outside any function, it's considered a global variable. In this example, x is a global variable and both the functions and the main code can access it. Global keyword is the last. But what if you want to modify a global variable inside a function? That's where the global keyword comes in handy. By using global x inside the function, we can change the value of the global variable x. And that's Python scope in a nutshell. We covered local variables, inner functions, global variables, and the global keyword. So see you in the next video.